This didn't go to plan. This crankshaft should be inside this E-Type. And this video shouldn't be about this crankshaft, it should be about the factory hardtop which we've recently refurbished and fitted to this car. But in the classic car world, things don't always go to plan, so you've got to be ready to adapt. Here's what happened. So if you read our regular news updates on our website, which mail out, so if you don't get them, do sign up to our email mailing list. Or if you follow us on social media, you probably will have seen us post a couple of times about this car. This E-Type we refurbished more than restored back in about 2020. We use it as a test bed for a lot of our modifications, so it features stuff like a 5-speed gearbox, improved brakes front and back, including the improved E-Type handbrake mechanism. It's got electronic ignition, alternator, uprated suspension, all that kind of stuff, and it's the ideal thing for us to test upgrades on to see if they're suitable for our customers. I was intending to get out and use this at shows a lot more this year, and hopefully I still will, but there's going to be a bit of a delay to that. But not being a great lover of convertible cars and having always had this hardtop with the car that we never refurbished when we did the work on the car, I wanted to get this hardtop fitted. So we've been doing that over the last couple of months, and I think it looks great. I love the look of the car with the hardtop. I'm really glad we went with the black rather than sticking with the original red, although that may prove controversial. I think it looks great. It's going to make a very practical car. And the plan for this video was to be out driving the car, talking about the upgrades, talking about the process of refurbing the roof and such the like. However, once we're all done with this work and recommissioning after winter storage, we were running the car and it wasn't sounding quite right. We investigated and thought we really need to get the engine out and see what's going on here. And we found that one of the thrust washers on the crankshaft was worn out. We've been testing a different clutch setup in this car, and it seems that it put too much load all the time on the crankshaft and worn it out. This is also a danger if you rest your foot on the clutch all the time whilst driving, which is easily done, particularly in XKs, so something to be conscious of. So, it's very annoying. What are we going to do now? Well, the engine is already out and stripped down, ready to be rebuilt. Fortunately, the damage was fairly limited because we caught it so quickly. New crankshaft is being machined, ready to go in. Engine will go back together and we'll get it back on the road later in the summer. We are now into a pretty busy time of year for us, and our customers' cars come first, so I'm not quite sure when we'll get this done, but hopefully it won't be too long, and then I will make the video where I'm out on the road driving this and talking through some of the upgrades. Fortunately, we've got lots of exciting content to come, including probably following this engine going back together and going back in. We're going to be getting out on the road in an XK140 that we restored a couple of years ago, hopefully out on the road in a C-Type replica. So lots to stay tuned for. Please do like, subscribe or follow, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.